Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Happy Prime Day week coming up. Take advantage of the sales going on now. Get this on deal. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. It is the first day of fall. Oh lordy, hopefully it's not a bad winter, which would be nice, because we need a break out here. Ooh baby, this is definitely something I needed. This is a 12-in-1 USB-C docking station, triple display, triple G, 10 GP, BPS, PD, 100 watts, 1 gig Ethernet, plug and play, very portable as you can see, super thin. I'm not sure where this is from. Oh, this is from JCYMELE docking station, gray. So yeah, definitely check them out. Oh, you computer people out here, now's the time to buy before the prices go up. Just a warning, 2026 might be a little different, but that's why you take advantage now of the Prime Day deals and grab all the stuff you could get at a low cost. Because I think next year, a lot of computer stuff going to be going up in price. So, stock up now while you can. Especially one of these things. Super lightweight. I could open it from the side. Oh, maybe the side. Oh. Bada boom, triple. Trifecta. Get the manual Thunderbolt 3 docking station. Gotta love these things. They do magic. Ooh. Micro SD, SD, USB 3.2. Over here, which way? DPI 1, digital display 1, and 2, and 3 HDMIs, and PD 100 watt. And there's the cable. So we're gonna check it out in a few. We'll be back. Alright guys, we are in my other office now. I'm setting up. I gotta find my other 2 cables for those 2 monitors, but I found one. So we got that running off of this little guy. I could charge my backup phone, headphones, you name it. This thing does it all, guys. Simply amazing. Don't mind the little dust. Just plug it in there, power's on. You got other choices to choose from. You can have running a couple more things for you to charge up, because I don't mind the dust already. But yeah, really nice docking station with Thunderbolt. So you can get it now. Get them while you can. They're on sale. So check them out. Be safe. Have a good night.